Welcome to this tutorial on how to use rewards in Klarna Pay in 4. Klarna Pay in 4 is a payment service that allows you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments. Using rewards with Klarna Pay in 4 can help you maximize your benefits and get the most out of your shopping experience. First, you need to have a Klarna account and be eligible for Klarna Pay in 4. You can check your eligibility by logging into your Klarna account or by applying for a Klarna account if you don't have one. Once you are eligible, you can start using Klarna Pay in 4 on participating merchants' websites. When you choose to use Klarna Pay in 4 at checkout, you will be asked to log into your Klarna account and confirm your payment schedule. To use rewards with Klarna Pay in 4, you need to link your rewards program to your Klarna account. This can usually be done in your Klarna account settings or by contacting Klarna customer support. Some popular rewards programs that can be linked to Klarna include cashback apps, credit card rewards, and loyalty programs. After linking your rewards program, you can start earning rewards on your Klarna Pay in 4 purchases. The rewards will be applied to your account according to the terms and conditions of your rewards program. For example, if you have a cashback app linked to your Klarna account, you may earn a certain percentage of cashback on your purchases made with Klarna Pay in 4. This cashback can then be redeemed for gift cards, statement credits, or other rewards. To get the most out of using rewards with Klarna Pay in 4, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of your rewards program. This includes knowing how rewards are earned, how they can be redeemed, and any limitations or restrictions that may apply. Additionally, consider using Klarna Pay in 4 for purchases that offer the most rewards value. For example, if you have a rewards program that offers more cashback on certain categories of purchases, such as groceries or gas, use Klarna Pay in 4 for those purchases to maximize your rewards. In conclusion, using rewards with Klarna Pay in 4 can help you earn more benefits and get the most out of your shopping experience. By linking your rewards program to your Klarna account and using Klarna Pay in 4 for eligible purchases, you can earn rewards and redeem them for valuable benefits. Always make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of your rewards program and use Klarna Pay in 4 strategically to maximize your rewards.